Clients want that light, bright deck look without softwood compromises. Garapa 2x6 Pregrooved, hardwood performance, golden color. Nominal 2x6, actual 1.5 by 5.5 inches. Lengths from 1 to 22 feet. The pre-groove profile accepts standard hidden clip systems, faster install than face screwing, with a clean, fastener-free deck surface your clients will notice. Garapa, also known as Brazilian ash, has a distinctive golden blonde to light honey tone. It's one of the lightest colored tropical hardwoods available, making it ideal for clients who want a modern, airy aesthetic. Left untreated, it silvers gracefully. Oiled, it glows. Janka hardness, 1,650 pounds force. That's harder than teak, white oak, and every softwood decking option out there. Naturally resistant to rot, insects, and mold. Rated for up to 50+ years in exterior applications without chemical preservatives. Exterior Hardwood Certified from managed Brazilian forests. Ships direct to job site or terminal. We're NHLA and IWPA members. Every board is graded and inspected before shipping. Get a custom quote or shop online at ipewoods.com. Mill direct, no middleman markup.